Former Department of Public Works and Highways DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo is one of the officials that keeps getting mentioned in the Senate probe on alleged ghost flood control projects. Bernardo was a civil engineer hailing from Malolos, Bulacan. He initially served as a civil engineering aide in 1986 and was promoted to associate civil engineer in 1987. In 1989, he was named civil engineer and engineer 2 and promoted to engineer 3 in 1993. He was named Assistant District Engineer in 2001, District Engineer 2002, and Assistant Regional Director in 2010. In 2013, he was named OIC City Engineer on secondment status under the request of then Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada. Undersecretary Roberto R. Bernardo has 30 years of experience as government civil engineer who rose from the ranks in the Department of Public Works and Highways because of his distinctive knowledge and dedication to public service, said his profile on the DPWH website. In 2017, Bernardo was named DPWH Undersecretary for Regional Operations in Visayas, NCR and Region IVB, where he was placed in charge of all offices in all regional offices in Visayas, the National Capital Region NCR, and Region 4B. The DPWH website said part of his responsibilities include overall supervision and control over the operations of all regional offices in Visayas, the National Capital Region NCR, and Region 4B. He shall likewise have overall supervision and control over all infrastructure projects implemented by the department, but funded under the budget of various line agencies, i.e. school buildings, health centers, and farm-to-market roads in his R of assignment. Dismissed Bulacan 1st District Engineer Henry Alcantara said that he worked with Bernardo in giving commissions off flood control projects to the camps of Senators Jinggoy Estrada, Joel Villanueva, former Senator Bong Revilla Jr., Ako Bicol Representative Zaldi Co., and former Caloocan Representative Mitch Kajayan. Yusek Bernardo started giving my office these huge amounts of funds in 2022, and the agreement was to give a 25% cut to the proponents of the project. 5% for the proponent, but Yusek Bernardo usually asked for 5% to 15% as advance payment after the BICAM deliberations, Alcantara said. Villanueva, Estrada, Co., and Kajayan earlier issued their respective denials on their involvement in the questionable flood control projects. Meanwhile, Bernardo was also mentioned by Curly Discaya as among the DPWH officials who requested for at least 25% of the kickbacks in a previous Senate probe. He has also been placed under Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order (ILBO) after his implication in the issue. This was after his name was mentioned by former Bulacan 1st District Assistant Engineer Bryce Erickson Hernandez during the inquiry of the House Infrastructure Committee on alleged anomalous flood control projects. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.